Hey guys, welcome to our channel codersarcade. In today's video, we are going to talk about regular expression in Python. So this will be the part 3 video, and if you haven't watched that part 2 video, I'll give the link in the description below, and as well as I'll give the link in the I button as well. So I will recommend that you watch that video, part 2 video first, and then come to this video. So let's continue with our patterns as we were discussing about patterns. I'm Ashank David, and let's start this topic right there. Before starting this video, I would like you people to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So as you can see, we were talking about patterns in our previous video, which was the part 2 video, and there we talked about this different patterns. So we talked about cap, what cap does, what dollar does, what this dot did, then 1 to 9 range, then cap 1 to 9, then we talked about star, and then we talked about the plus operator. So these were the different patterns that we had, and let's talk about more today. And today I'm going to show you more, and with this whole new list of patterns, these are the patterns that are usually mostly we use in our regular expressions. So let's get right into it. So I will start by question mark. So what this question mark does, so if I write here, let's say if I write inside my quotations, if I write x and then question mark, so what this will do is it will indicate the zero or at least one occurrence of that particular expression. So suppose if I write x here, so it will match at least one x or a zero occurrence of that x. So this is what this question mark does. So this is the question mark pattern. So now if we talk about the next type of expression, we have this curly braces. So if I write here, I'll give you an example. Suppose I'm writing here inside my curly braces, I'm going to write, let's say x, or it could be any expression. We are using x in this case. If I write x and inside curly braces, let's say 2. So now what will happen is it will try to match at least, not at least, but exactly 2 x's. So it means it exactly matches 2 occurrence of x's in any given pattern or any given targeted string. This pattern tries to match 2x or 2 type of expression, the same expression. All right. Now if I write here, let's say 5. So now it will try to exactly match 5x. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So exactly 5x. Correct. Now let's say if I make some changes, and now if I write comma, now what this pattern will do, it will try to match at least 5. So at least 5x. So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or more than 5x. It can be 6x, it can be 7x, it can be 8x. It doesn't have any limitation. So basically at least 5 or more if I give this comma right here. Okay, so this is for that. And if I write, let's say 2, then at least it will try to match 2x or more than 2x. So if I write 1, it won't accept 1x, so at least 2x here in this case, because in the starting we are writing 2, so that is why 2x at least or more than that. Correct. So it can match again 3x or 4x or 5x or 6x or 7x or 9x or 10x and so on. So it depends upon what is the starting number. According to that, it is going to multiply that many times of, it is going to indicate that many times of expression. Okay, it is going to try that. Now if I say 2 comma, let's say 5. So what this pattern will do, this pattern will try to match at least 2 and at most 5 expressions. So suppose if I write here x of 2 comma 5, now it will at least match 2x or 3x or 4x or 5x, but not more than that, because our lower limit is 2x and the higher limit is 5x. So at least 2x or at most 5x. So it can match from 2x to 3x to 4x to 5x or 5, not more than that. So it depends upon how you write this pattern. Okay, so this is about curly braces. So I hope you have understood this well. Now let's move on to the other one, which is A or B. So if I write A, no spaces here, if I write A or B, this one, then what this will do is it is going to match at least either A or B. A or B. Either A or B. Okay, so basically it is an OR operator, or we call it as pipe symbol. So basically it represents OR operation. So A or B. So depends. If A is present, then it will match A. If B is present, then it will match B. But A or B. Got it? So this is another pattern. Now if we talk about the next pattern, we will talk about small brackets or round brackets or curly, not the curly, but round brackets. So if we talk about this, this is the pattern that helps us to group the expression, group some particular type of expression. This we will directly see when we implement this into our regular expression implementation video. There I am going to tell you how we can implement this. And then if we talk about the next one, which is backslash s. So if I say backslash and then small s, then what it will do is it will match white spaces, that is normal white spaces that we have in between the strings. So if we talk about targeted string, automatically this backslash small s, it is going to match that normal, or it is going to match that white space that it has in between the words. Now if we talk about the next one, which is backslash and capital S, then what it does is this is basically it is going to match, it is going to try to match non-white spaces. That means any character except for space, correct? So here it is going to match any non-white space character. So basically without a space, except for the space, this means except for the space, it is going to match any character that you have on your targeted string. Now if we talk about backslash small d, this is another pattern. So if we talk about this, then what this does is it indicates the single character, and this d here, small d, represents the digit. So you can match single digit characters using this backslash d. Now if we talk about backslash capital D, so what do you mean by this? It is going to automatically match, you already know that it is going to match the single character here in this case, but here capital D does not mean digit. That means you can match the normal character instead of digits. So small d is for digit and capital D is for normal characters here. So these are all the different types of patterns that I wanted to show you in this video, this part 3 video. So totally we completed using the part 2 video and part 3 video, we completed all these pattern. Now from my next video onwards, I am going to show you how to implement these patterns into a regular expression and how to use regular expression basically in any program. So we will talk about the targeted string. We will talk about how to import regular expression. We are going to talk about how these patterns can be used in those regular expressions in my next video. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this, tell us in the comment section below and press the bell icon. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. This is Ashang signing off. Stay safe and happy learning.